Adding custom CSS to your Squarespace website allows you to further personalize its design beyond the built-in styling options. Here's how to add custom CSS in Squarespace. Access the CSS editor. Log into your Squarespace account and go to the Home menu. From the side panel, click on Design, then select Custom CSS. Add your custom CSS. In the Custom CSS panel, you will see an empty field where you can paste or type your custom CSS code. As you add CSS, you will see a live preview of how it affects your website. For example, to change the background color of a page, you could write the following. If you want to target specific elements, you can use Squarespace's Inspect tool. Right-click on any element, choose Inspect, and find the corresponding CSS class to style. Save your changes. Once you've added the desired CSS, click Save in the upper left corner to apply the changes site-wide. Advanced CSS tips. You can use CSS to customize fonts, colors, spacing, and animations. Be cautious when modifying layout styles to ensure your site remains responsive on mobile devices.